Hello, this is Xavier with BAI Digital. Just wanted to make this quick video to help you understand a little bit about UX design and how that can help you with your business. So, looking at UX web design, many web designers fail to incorporate user experience into the overall thought process of the website design. So, what is user experience? User experience integrates the look, the feel, and the usability into a website. So, it should be intuitive whenever your clients land on the web page that you are uh, creating an appearance of authority within your niche, that you're offering some form of credibility, whether that be information for free, whether that be testimonials, so on and so forth. And this in turn builds trust. So there's a lot of different aspects that go into user experience design, mainly psychology, how the customer will interact with your website, and also you need to incorporate user research. So, for example, um, you're going to tailor a health website and the user experience for that different than you would a commercial construction company. And a commercial construction company would have a different user experience than, let's say, a service-based business like a plumbing website. So they're going to be different in their experience. So having an immersive, integrated experience into the website and knowing your users and their intent. So why are they going on your website and why are they searching for you? So failure to offer a good user experience is often a really costly mistake to business owners because in essence you have to redo your website. There was recently an article here in the Register that Accenture was sued by Hertz um, for $32 million for a defective redesign of their website. So they never delivered a truly functional, optimized website. There was a bunch of issues with the code in the back end. There were so many bugs that they delivered. And overall, it affects their bottom line because, in reality, most of their business and transaction is done before people even get to the location. So, um, having a faulty user experience is costing them millions and millions of dollars. So, it was probably far more costly in lost business than $32 million. But don't make any $32 million web design mistakes. Just because it's a big company or just because they promise XYZ, look at their portfolio, see if their websites are intuitive. Uh, Figure it out because uh, while a good user experience isn't always what goes into getting a website to show up in Google and various things like that for SEO, but the customers that do land on your website, you want to make sure that it's optimized uh, for the conversion rate optimization, or uh, basically when people land on there, how many people uh, pick up the phone and call your business or utilize your service or things like that. So being able to optimize your website for that is vitally important. So if you look at, like, for example, Hertz's website right now, um, not really intuitive. I mean, there's just a lot of, it almost feels like a government website with just way too much information all just hitting you at once. Boom. A lot of choices, just not really that great of a design. Nothing is centered. It's a really bad design. It's faulty design. You look at their competitor Enterprise. Everything's centered. There's not as many buttons right in front of you. And you can pretty much in one click get exactly where you want to go. There isn't drop down menu after drop down menu. Um, and it's a really intuitive design. Like I said, once again, very minimal. Um, you know, Down here, obviously in the footer, there's more, but it makes sense, right, for a user, just depending on what they're wanting to do. If I want to go buy a car, um, it allows me to just boom, go right to there. Um, so it's a really good user experience with enterprises compared to Hertz. Everything's symmetrical, colors are together. It's not overdone. There's consistency in the fonts. things like that. So various different things that you can look at um, whenever you're looking at the web designer you're looking at hiring's portfolio, or even just their own website. Their own website is often a good indicator of whether or not they'd be a good fit for you guys. So uh, here's just some basics, whenever it comes to user experience. Just kind of recapping, make sure that you're integrating some psychology and calls to action within the copy or the text of the website, to get them to utilize your service, or hit the contact now button, or perform whatever your intent behind the website is, to get them to do that. So hope this was informative, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at BAI Digital, and we'd be more than happy to help. All right, thank you. Have a good day.